Class 9 Geography, Chapter Latitudes and Longitudes. This is the second part of this chapter. The climatic zones of the Earth. Because of the Earth's spherical shape, inclination of its axis, rotation and revolution, all the places on the Earth's surface do not receive same amount of heat from the sun. Latitudes help us to divide the whole Earth into climatic zones with reference to equator, the 0-degree latitude. The world's climate is determined on the basis of these temperature zones, as the amount of heat received from the sun varies because of inclination of the Earth and its spherical shape. The main heat zones are the torrid zone or tropical zones, temperate zones and frigid zones. The torrid or tropical zones lie between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, which mark the limit of the overhead sun to north and south of the equator. That is from 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south, with equator dividing it into north torrid and south torrid zone. Temperate zones. The north temperate zone 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, and south temperate zone from 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south stretch from torrid zone to frigid zone. Here the climate is moderate, example neither too hot nor too cold. The frigid zones. The region between Arctic Circle to North Pole and Antarctic Circle to South Pole is extremely cold because of the inclination of the axis. This area in north and south of the equator receives very slant rays during winter. Longitudes. The longitude of a place is the angular distance of that place east or west of the prime meridian. Unlike latitudes, where equator is the only great circle dividing the earth into two halves, all meridians are complete circles dividing the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Thus, the 180 degree longitude that lies just opposite to the prime meridian and prime meridian together form one complete circle. Longitude is the angular distance along the equator measured in degrees. It is measured east or west of the Greenwich 0 degree to 180 degree. All meridians of longitude converge at the poles. The distance between two longitudes is approximately 111 km at the equator, but goes on decreasing as one goes towards the poles. It is the 0 degree at the poles. There are 360 degree of longitude, 180 degree in east and west of the prime meridian. The longitudes are used to determine the time with reference to the time at prime meridian, that is GMT. Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, is the noon time of the old Greenwich Observatory 0 degree longitude. Its time is taken as standard time of England and international time. International date line is an imaginary line along the 180 degree meridian extending from pole to pole. How to find local time with the help of longitudes? We know that the earth is spherical in shape and 360 longitudes are imaginary lines drawn from north to south, 1 degree apart on the equator. The earth completes one rotation on its axis in approximately 24 hours. The earth takes 24 hours to run through 360 degree. The sun appears to move at the rate of 15 degree in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, or 360 degree in 24 hours, or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Therefore, one can say sun is overhead each meridian after 4 minutes. It is noon at all places on that longitude when sun is overhead, and it is known as local time of that longitude. Here ends this chapter.